Are you getting lows in views after uploading your videos and you are not getting that views you have expected? Maybe it's because you are uploading your videos the wrong way. Okay, so just stick around because one of my audience have let me know in the comment section that he or she is not getting views after everything. So I decided to make this video. So in today's video, I will guide you step by step tutorial on how you're going to upload your videos to your YouTube channel using the desktop version of YouTube. Whether you are new or experienced, these tips will help you optimize your videos for maximum impact and maximum reach. Let's dive in. Just what you do for us is like this video, comment and also subscribe to our channel because you wouldn't want to miss out on our next upload. Let's dive in. Okay guys, like I said, this I'm going to show you the tutorial of how you're going to upload your videos the right way. If you are getting low views, so maybe it's because you are not uploading your videos the right way. You are using the YouTube app to upload your videos. Now, let me teach you. Just watch to the very end of this video. Now, this is my phone gallery. Now, this is the video I want to upload. Now, this video, if you look at this video, it has no name. Like the name, if you're using an Android phone, like me, I'm using an Android phone, so I have to rename this video. You look for where they will rename it. Like here, I'll go to this three dot here and click it. If you can see rename, you can see cast, add to album details. So you click to rename. Now, when you look at this video now, you will see that the video is named as VID 2024 1202 00 blah 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 blah. Are you getting me now? So I want to rename this video to the name or the title of what my YouTube title will be, like the title of what I want this video to be when I upload it. Now I'm deleting it. Now this video is about how to upload your videos the right way. Now let me write it. The perfect way. The perfect way to upload. The perfect way to upload your videos on YouTube. Are you seeing it? So I'm done with it. Then I click OK. You click OK. You see, rename successful. Rename successful. Now, what are you going to do? You now go to your. You now go to your YouTube desktop mode. You now go to your YouTube desktop mode. If you don't know how to if you don't know how to get through to your YouTube desktop mode, you click studio dot studio.youtube.com. Why it is showing like this is because I've always been making use of it. I don't ignore my YouTube Studio app. You click on it. Once you click on it, then studio.youtube.com, you click on it. Okay, my own has opened now. So what are you going to do here? Now we want to upload that particular video. We want to upload that particular video with rename. Now, what are you going to do? Once your desktop mode is open, your dashboard is open, you go to this right hand side and click. You see something like create. You click on create. Now you now see upload videos. Once you click on upload videos, now it will pop out something like this. Once it pop out something like this, you click on this arrow sign. If you don't want to click on this arrow sign, you can click on select files. Anyone you choose, any one of your choice, is still the same way to upload your videos. Now I can click on this sign. Now once I click on this sign, I have something like media picker. I have something media picker. This is where I will pick the font and the video that I rename. I will click on it. Now it will take me to my folder. It will take me to my files. Now when you look at this when you look at my recent files, my recent videos, shey you can see that video will rename. The video that I rename, the video I rename was the perfect way to upload your videos on YouTube. So I have to click on it. Once you click on it, this thing will start showing that it's now loading. Once it opens, alright, good. Now this is the way we are going to do it. This is another way. So once it opens, when you look at this video section of this video, you see that it's showing uploading videos. It's showing uploading videos. Now, if you when you look at also when you look at the name, when you look at the file name, when you look at the name of this our video, you can see the file name. The perfect way to upload your videos, that is the file name of that video we will rename, okay? And that is the video we want to upload. Now what are you going to do? If you still want to make use of your file name as your title, you can still put it, you can still attach it, all right? the perfect way the perfect way to upload your YouTube videos. Now we have written the title. Now then your description, if you can write anything as your description that is resonating with you, the video you want to upload. All right, let me just leave this one because it's my already channel description. This is for my channel description. If I still want to edit it to the description of the video I want to upload, I can still edit it. Are you getting it? So but I'll have to leave it at this point. Now when you come to this thumbnail, we have set a thumbnail that stands out and draw attention. Now as I'm making this video, I've not made any thumbnail yet. All right, so I have to click. Now when you look at this thumbnail now, if you have something like they say set a thumbnail that stands out and draw viewers attention. Now remember that thumbnail is the first thing your viewers see. So if you're not too sure about the thumbnail you created, you can create 3 thumbnails and make use of this test and compare. This test and compare, this is where you are going to add 3 thumbnails of that same video. All right, 3 thumbnails you created for this same video. Now once you are done with it, now or if you have one thumbnail, you can click on upload files. So for example, now let me use this thumbnail as my thumbnail, as the thumbnail of this video. Now once you click on the thumbnail, you click done. Now once you click done, the thumbnail is uploading. Are you seeing it right now? So now you go to your playlist and category and put your videos, you go to your playlist and tag your videos under a playlist. So when I have different playlist name here, I can click it to YouTube tutorial zone. Now once I click it to YouTube tutorial zone, then I can now click done, and I have done. You click on done. Then here you put your videos to not see. No, it's not made for kids. But if your video is made for kids, you click on yes, is made for kids. But this my video is not made for kids, so I have to turn it on to. I have to turn it off to put it no, is not made for kids. Then you go to show more. Once you click on show more, the thing will open. Now you put your video, make sure that if your video is describes it, do any of the following describes your content. Like, is this your content and altered content? If it's yes, altered content, you click yes. If it's no, you click no. So usually my content is not altered, so I click on no. You click on automatic chapters, which is already it's already turned on by YouTube, so it's automatically turned on by YouTube. You make sure that all these things, you put your tags that are related to that video. Okay, now then you select, put your video language. If it's on English, you put your video language. All right, this is not too necessary. Okay, now another thing you will do is you click you this particular place now. You see this particular place. Many content creator has been making videos on this particular place you are seeing now, especially this one, publish to subscriptions feed and notifications and notify subscribers. Please, if your own is turned off, please turn it on. Turn it on, because YouTube has turned it automatically on to show your videos to your subscribers. Unless you feel like you want to do the job yourself, you want your videos to show to other people and not your subscriber, you can turn it on. But please make sure you turn it on. Make sure it is turned on. Then allow video and audio remixing, you turn it on. Now, if your video is for education, you have to categorize your video. If your video is for education, if it's for entertainment, anyone, you categorize your videos based on the category, based on what your video is all about. Then, but my video is all about for how to and style, that is for tutorials, instructional and educational. So I have to put it onto how to and style. That is where I categorize my videos. Now, the next thing you have to do is to go to the next one, which is video elements. You see why you have to make use of your YouTube desktop version, because if you are using desktop mode, if you are using YouTube app, you are not going to see all these features. You are not going to see them. You just see some few features there. So that is why you need this version to access all the features for your video visibility. Are you hearing me, guys? So now the next one is video element. You go to your video element, you say add subtitle. If you want to add subtitles to your videos to be speaking on the languages, like to be dishing out the words you are saying on your videos, you put it. But normally I don't used to put subtitles because there are some time it will make a mistake. Now the next one is add an end screen. Now I'm about to add an end screen. I will click on add. All right, so guys, once it opens, then you can now put your tags. Like you can now put your end screen, some videos you want to be showing at the end of this video or at the end of every of your video. Those two videos that will be showing out, that will be popping out at the end of every of your videos. Now you put the end screen, you add elements. Okay, YouTube will automatically choose the correct video that is most recent upload. Then once you are done, maybe you still want to put subscribe, no problem, you can put subscribe. Okay, now once you are done putting it, you click on save. Then it will automatically save. Now the next one you are going to do is to add your tag. Please make sure you are adding your end screen and your tags in every of your video. Don't ignore it, because it helps in the YouTube algorithm to push out your videos or to other of your videos. Are you hearing me? So now on your cards are those things that pop out at the top of videos. Are you hearing me? Those things that pop out at the top of videos when you are watching a video. For example, now, okay, let me choose for a particular one. Now, are you seeing it here? This is how the tag looks like. This is how the card looks like. Are you seeing it? This is how the card. I believe you have seen it in every video you are watching, and every of my video you have been seeing on my channel. This is how the cards looks like. Now, once you are done in everything of this, once you are done putting as many, okay, as like it's 5 a number that you can only put here. Once you are done putting them, you can now put add save. All right, you click on save. Once you click on save, it will automatically save. Now the next one is to check if the video we are uploading, have any copyright issue. You see why this desktop mode is important and is necessary, because if you are using the YouTube app, you are not going to see this. Even though you finish uploading, at the end YouTube give you a strike. That is because you didn't check if that video have any copyright issue. So that is why you need to use the desktop mode to upload your videos, even if it's short video, anything about YouTube, please make use of the desktop mode. Now we have to check it. You say when you look at this copyright side, you see no issues found. That means I have no copyright. Now we are done with the three. We'll go to the last one, visibility. Now this is how you want your videos to be visible. Now let me tell you, here is a very important site that you can pay attention to while uploading your videos. Now when you look at this thing now, it's about to tell us how we want our videos to be visible. If we want our videos to be private, unlisted, public. Private is only you and people you choose can watch your videos. Now the next one is unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. So if check it now, if you don't share anybody your video link, they cannot see your video. So now if you want to upload your videos, this is how you are going to do it. If you want to put it under unlisted, you can put your video on unlisted, but the best way to upload your video is by using the public. Is by making it under what? Public. You set under public, you set it as what? Premium. You set it at premium. For if you want to upload your video maybe by tomorrow, you set it at premium so that you start now to upload the video already. Then from tomorrow, if you want it to be by 10 a.m., 12 a.m., no problem. Okay, so you premium your video. Now, for example, I want to upload my video. I want to upload my video on, let me say on Wednesday, which is on 4th, all right, which is on 4th. So, and the time I want to upload this video is around, maybe say around 1 p.m. So I have to look for 1 p.m. or you type 1 p.m. This one is only for AM. Then let me go for PM. All right, okay, this is for PM. Now I have 1 p.m. I seen it. Now you check on the time zone, you click on the time zone. The time zone is local time so that it can reach to everybody, to other countries. Now set up your premiums. Now you say if you want it, now look at this thing. We have countdown, we have premium, classic, alternative, and so many of them. So you can choose any one. It doesn't matter. It just to show up once is about to go public. Now, how long do you want to? How many minutes do you want your premium to count down, like to read before it can start showing to people, or you can start to become public? Now I like my own to always be at 1 minute. So once once the thing is set, now you can see I have now set everything as premium. All right, so I've set it as premium. This video will be premium on the 4th of December 2024. So this is the perfect way you will publish your video. It's not once you finish editing your videos, doing the thumbnails and everything, you upload it that same day. No, you have to premium it or put it under what? Unlisted, so that you will send the YouTube algorithm message that something is about to happen in your channel, so time and so day. All right, so they will know the rightful audience they are pushing your videos to. Now once you are done in all of this thing, once you are done in everything, once you are done in all of this, you can now come here, down here, and click on published. You make sure you click on publish. Please, you click on publish. I'm not going to publish it because I'm not yet done with it. So guys, this is how you are going to upload your videos each time you want to upload your videos. Okay, and I believe that this video have found a help to you by growing your videos and getting more views. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, comment, like this video, and see you in our next upload. Bye bye.